3 days with the official One UI 5.0 on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I gotta say, Samsung has brought some amazing features that I've been enjoying a lot. So here we go. As you can probably tell, we have the One UI 5.0 on the left and One UI 4.1 on the right. Let's take a look at the visual differences. So you can see that largely the One UI 5.0 is still continuing the same iconic look of the One UI with even more nice refinement. Like you can see the icons on the left are much bigger in the notifications compared to the older look. You can also notice these two buttons more clear than before. Apart from that, you can now stack widgets on top, which obviously creates a pretty unique look that's gonna make your phone look like a One UI 5.0 device. Now with that comparison out of the way, let's take a look at the new features on the One UI 5.0. Starting with probably my favorite feature on the One UI 5.0, which is the quick 2-swipe split screen multitasking mode. It works flawlessly. I know we had the split screen multitasking on phones for years, but this is just the best way to quickly get into it, and it's gonna make a lot more people to actually use this feature more, because Android is the only operating system on phones right now that has true multitasking, something that we don't see on iOS. So head to the settings and go to advanced features, check out the Labs tab, and this is where you're gonna see all the new multitasking features. What makes Samsung's One UI 5.0 split screen unique is that it actually forces the apps to open in split screen, even for the apps that are not optimized for this. Also, when you're in the split screen mode, the phone hides the status bar info so that you have more of a full screen experience. I've enjoyed this a lot. Now, the other one is the pop-up view, which you can just do it by swiping from the right hand side. You can see it gives you this nice little pop-up view of the application. You can change the size by swiping down from either side, and you can increase the size as well. There's also other options like changing the opacity, and you can also jump quickly into split screen mode from this pop-up mode and quickly open any application you want. It works really good. Now, Android 13 on One UI 5.0 brings a lot more color palette options. So based on your wallpapers, you'll have a lot more colors to choose from. Previously, we only had 5 options to choose from, so now there's a lot more. Next up, we have stackable widgets, and they just look absolutely incredible. It's so easy to do this. All you have to do is just tap and hold on any widget, then click on Edit Stack. From there, you can go ahead and select any of the widget that you want to pick from all the widgets you have. For example, if I'm gonna pick this weather widget, set the location, boom. So now all of them are in this one big stack, and you can also choose to auto rotate widgets if you want to. So it's gonna automatically rotate the widget every time you unlock your phone to give you a new look. But yeah, this has been much needed, and Samsung has done this very cleanly. Honestly, I've had no issues, no bugs whatsoever. Next up, we have this new UI for the permissions. Now they look green and they are much bigger, and this is how the pixel permissions look as well. So Samsung just directly adopted this look, which is looking pretty good. Speaking of change in UI, we have this new look for the security and privacy. So yeah, this is looking again a lot cleaner. There's also going to be a battery health option being added in the future One UI 5.0 build. So this is just the beta 1, but yeah, in the future, we're definitely going to see a battery health option that's going to tell you your battery health, similar to how it is on iOS. Also, now you can copy text from an image, which is a very handy feature, and it actually even works on video as well. So here's a video that I recorded on my phone, and here we have the scan button. So if I just press it, it takes a quick scan of the image, basically takes a screenshot, and then you can just scan through this. So you just do this, copy, and then paste on whatever you want to paste at, and it's a really handy tool that's finally here with the One UI 5.0. Now, camera UI is same as before, but there's actually a new histogram option when you go into the Pro video mode. Also, on the About Phone section, the One UI 5.0 actually shows the image of the device, even the back as well. So my S22 Ultra is in green, so you can see the green model is listed there, which is very neat. Also, if you go into the connections, you can see that now you have the ability to turn off the ultra wide band, which is definitely going to help you conserve more battery. Now, speaking of battery life, I haven't seen a big change except the standby time. I feel like that has improved. Again, this is the first beta, so things could improve. Now, when it comes to animation, Samsung has added a new haptic when you exit an application or every time you swipe with the navigation bar. I think that's a nice touch. Now, when it comes to the actual animations, they feel fast, but I don't think I see a difference compared to One UI 4.1 as I expected. Again, it's the first beta. What I have noticed is that the camera, when I open it like that, you can see there's a lag with the camera app. So again, it's the first beta, so I'm not gonna judge Samsung on this one. They're definitely gonna improve this more. But as far as the general animations are concerned, they're quite similar to before, but with new haptics to enhance the experience. Now, next up, for the S22 Ultra and other S Pen devices, you can actually take notes while you're on call. So I can't really show you guys because obviously there's no SIM card on this phone and no one's gonna attend this call. So this is an option that is added with the One UI 5.0 for the S Pen devices. Next up, we have a new shortcut for the magnification. So now you can access and use this feature even more easily. So you can now set the shortcut to the volume up and down keys where you can hold them for 3 seconds and it's going to open the magnification mode. So this is where you can zoom in on your screen and basically see everything bigger. So that's kind of nice. And you can quickly exit that by pressing that button. Also, with the One UI 5.0, you can easily share your Wi-Fi passwords with your friend using the quick share option. This is something that's not present on the One UI 4.1, as you can see. So that is all what is new with the One UI 5.0 officially running on my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Again, like I said, it's a beta 1, so we're definitely going to see more betas until we see the official update, which will have more fun tweaks and even more performance enhancements, possibly even better animation. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the official version, but this is majorly what you're going to get with the One UI 5.0. And let me know what your favorite feature is in the comments section below. I will be daily driving One UI 5.0 and do a long-term review of the S22 Ultra, so make sure you stay tuned on the channel and subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.